Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Now, in our last class, we had started good habits. We were learning about some good habits. Have you started following them? Have you learned some new good habits? I hope we are all learning good habits. And today I'm going to tell you about some more good habits. Go to bed early. Go to bed early means रात को जल्दी सो जाइए. You should not keep awake. You should not stay awake till late playing games on the mobile or watching TV or playing video games or anything of the sort, beta. You should go to bed early. And when you go to bed early, you will wake up early in the morning. जब रात को जल्दी सो जाएंगे तो नींद पूरी हो जाएगी तो जल्दी उठेंगे ना सुबह. You will wake up early in the morning. In your nursery class, you must have learned the rhyme early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Yes or no? You learnt it? Now this rhyme, beta, this was not only meant as a rhyme, this was also meant to teach you some good habits. So we should all, it's not for children only, it's for everyone. We should all go to bed early in the night and we should wake up early in the morning. Then brush your teeth. You all brush your teeth. I know that, right? But you should brush your teeth how many times a day? Twice a day. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the night before going to bed. एक बार सुबह ब्रश करना चाहिए और एक बार रात को सोने से पहले ब्रश करना चाहिए. In this way you will keep cavities away from your tooth. आपकी जो टीथ हैं वो एकदम हेल्दी रहेंगे, कैविटीज डेवलप नहीं होंगी, कीड़ा नहीं लगेगा दांतों में. You should have a bath regularly. Now, how many of you take a bath daily? कितने बच्चे हैं जो डेली बाथ लेते हैं? सच्ची सच्ची बताना. I know a few of you sometimes do not take a bath and just come to school. मैम को पता चल जाता है कौन बच्चा नहा कर आया और कौन बच्चा नहीं नहा कर आया है. Beta, we should develop a habit to take a bath daily. And in summers, so we can have take a bath twice a day or even thrice a day. है ना, गर्मी में तो हम 2-3 बार भी नहा सकते हैं दिन में. And even in winters, we should take a bath at least once a day. Then comb your hair daily. Now, why do you comb your hair? To look smart, right? आप हेयर क्यों कॉम्ब करते हैं? ताकि आप स्मार्ट लगें. जब आपको घर से बाहर जाना है तो हेयर कॉम्ब कर जाते हैं. That is one reason. But the other reason is even if you are not going out of your home, अगर आप घर से बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, जैसे आजकल आप घर में ही हैं, you are staying at your home, still you should comb your hair daily. Why? Because it improves the blood circulation in your brain, in your head, right? उससे क्या होता है? Blood circulation improve होता है. You will not develop dandruff or lice. You will be able to keep them away from your hair. Okay? Then cut your nails regularly. You know, we should trim our nails at least once a week. Fix a day. It can be a Sunday कि Sunday holiday होता है तो आप घर पर रह के ये काम कर सकते हैं. Just fix a day that I will trim my nails on every Sunday. हर Sunday को मैं अपने nails trim करूंगी. Right? Now you are very small kids, you are very young kids. You cannot trim your nails yourself. You will ask your parents to trim your nails. Okay? But if you do not trim your nails, you grow them long, तो क्या होगा बेटा? आपके लंबे nails में क्या होगा? They will accumulate a lot of germs, a lot of dirt, and when you eat anything, that all those germs will go inside your tummy and you will get sick. So you should cut your nails once a week. Then wash your hands before and after meals. Now, nowadays, due to COVID, you all have been instructed to wash your hands after some time. And you must be following that practice. करते हैं ना थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद आप अपने hands wash कर रहे हैं properly. But beta, even when the COVID goes away, then also you will follow the practice that you will keep your hands clean. You should wash your hands, especially before eating anything. जब कुछ खाना है तो उससे पहले तो जरूर अच्छे से अपने hands wash करने हैं. And इवन व्हेन यू कम होम आफ्टर प्लेइंग, आप खेल कर जब आते हैं घर पर, तो यू ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ डर्ट एंड अ लॉट ऑफ जर्म्स विद यू. So on your face, on your hands, on your feet, on your clothes. So what should you do when you come home after playing? You should take a bath. Try to take a bath. And if you cannot take a bath, what you should do is you should wash your hands, feet, and face properly. And if possible, you should change your clothes also. Now, next good habit is that you should take your meals on time. Most of the times, what happens is we just keep on delaying. You know, our body is telling us that we are hungry. Our body has a biological clock in itself. है ना, एक हमारे बॉडी के अंदर एक बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक होती है. अपनी बॉडी को, हमें खुद को पता चल जाता है कि हमारा खाने का टाइम हो गया, बट फिर भी हम क्या करते हैं, हम लोग उसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं. वी इग्नोर दैट बिकॉज वी आर टू बिजी प्लेइंग और watching TV or watching cartoons or playing games on the mobile or anything of the sort or talking to our friends, है ना. तो हम लोग उसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं. वी जस्ट कीप ऑन डिलेइंग. ममा बोलती रहती हैं कि बेटा खाना ठंडा हो गया, खाने का टाइम हो गया, पहले खाना खा लो, बट वी स्टिल keep on ignoring her. So we should not do that, beta. We should have our meals on time. When you take your meals on time, your digestive system will be proper. It will stay in proper functioning. It will function properly, and you will stay away from diseases. देन मेक श्योर यू हैव अ हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट. एक बहुत अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट करना चाहिए. सम किड्स व्हाट दे डू इज व्हेन दे गेट अप एंड दे हैव टू कम टू स्कूल कि नहीं अभी भूख नहीं है, खाना नहीं खाकर आते हैं. नाउ दिस इज नॉट गुड. व्हेन यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग आफ्टर 6 to 8 hours ऑफ स्लीप, आप सोकर उठते हैं इतनी देर, आपकी बॉडी ने कुछ नहीं खाया होता. यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी, right? You need a lot of energy to work. You need food to grow also. So breakfast is a very important part of our diet. We should never skip a breakfast. Breakfast कभी नहीं छोड़ना है. Breakfast जरूर लेना है सुबह उठकर, and it should be a healthy one. Then do not waste food. Take only what you will eat. I have seen many children, many people having a habit of hoarding up their plates. है ना, प्लेट को भरते रहते हैं, ये भी रख लो, ये भी रख लो, ये भी रख लो, और बाद में जब खाना खाने बैठते हैं तो पेट भर जाता है. Then all the food goes waste. We should not do that, beta. We should take in our plate only what we can eat. जितना हम खा सकते हैं उतना लें. And if you feel कि आपको अभी भी भूख लगी है, if you feel you are still hungry, you can take more. तो आप दोबारा जाकर थोड़ा ज्यादा खाना ले सकते हैं, है ना. बट पहले थोड़ा ही खाना लें प्लेट में. Do not waste food. Drink a lot of water. Now water is very important for our body, beta. Water helps to flush out all the toxins from our body. Water से क्या होता है, जब हम बहुत पानी पीते हैं, हमारी बॉडी में जितने जर्म्स हैं, जितने भी टॉक्सिन्स हैं, गंदी चीजें हैं, जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है, वो सब जो है बाहर फ्लश आउट होता है. ठीक है. सो वी शुड मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. Go to school on time. Many of you come to school late. You enter your class very late. And what is the excuse? मैम रिक्शा वाला लेट आया था. रिक्शा वाला से पूछो तो रिक्शा वाला says कि मैम बच्चा तैयार नहीं होता है टाइम पे, है ना. So this is not good. What happens is when you come to school late, you are disturbing your classmates, your teacher. Everybody gets disturbed. होता है ना, सब disturb हो जाते हैं, time waste होता है. You should not do that. Get ready on time and reach the school on time. Then finish your homework regularly. Now this is not your mama's duty to tell you, to remind you कि बेटा you have to finish your work, you have to do your homework. Mama की duty थोड़ा है. You should know when you go back home after the school, ठीक है आप थक गए हैं, you have your lunch, then you have a little rest, थोड़ा rest भी कर लो, but after that you should get up and then complete your homework and then go for playing. Exercise daily. Now exercise is very important for our body. When you play outside, I'm talking about playing outside, right? Outdoor games or sports, right? Not about the indoor games like sitting over some sitting at a place and then playing ludo or carom. उससे exercise नहीं होगी. Exercise कैसे होगी? When you play outdoor games. You are cycling, you are playing football, you are playing cricket or any other game of the sort, right? Or what happens is तब जब आप बाहर खेलते हैं तो उससे आपकी बॉडी की एक्सरसाइज हो जाती है. एंड इन केस यू कैन नॉट गो आउट ऑफ द रूम, आउट ऑफ योर हाउस ड्यू टू सम रीजन, ठीक है, बारिश हो रही है या आजकल कोविड की वजह से आप ज्यादा बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं, सो यू शुड डेवलप अ हैबिट ऑफ एक्सरसाइजिंग एट योर होम ओनली. You can do some yoga, you can do some aerobics. Now, another good habit is put away your things at proper place. When you play with toys, you should not leave the toys on the floor. You should put them away in a toy box after playing, right? When you come home from somewhere, most of the children, what they do is they throw away one shoe over here, the other goes over there. This is their habit you are having, isn't it? But you should not do that. You should make it a practice that whenever you come back home, you will remove your shoes and put them in the shoe rack, right? And when you change your clothes, then also make it a habit that you will hang your clothes at the proper place, or pack them properly and then put them away. When you come back from school, you will not throw the books or the bag on the bed like that. You will put them at a proper place. Fine. Then throw the garbage in the dustbin. You should not litter on the floor, beta. Whenever you eat something, there is a waste wrapper or there is any sort of waste paper or anything of the sort, you will not throw it on the floor like that. You may be in your home, you may be in the school, or you may be outside, anywhere, wherever you are, you will not throw anything on the floor like that. Gandgi nahi machayenge. We will throw all the garbage in the dustbin. You should look for a dustbin. आसपास कोई भी dustbin मिलता है, उसमें गंद डालो, right? So keep your country clean, keep your surroundings clean, your home clean, your school clean. Depending on what they are, our habits will either make us or break us. We become what we repeatedly do. Now habits, आपको बताया बेटा, जो आप चीज बार बार करते हो वो आपकी आदत बन जाता है. That is becomes your habit, and your habits make your personality. आपकी जैसी आदत होती है वैसे ही आपकी पर्सनालिटी बन जाती है. अगर आपके पास अच्छी आदतें हैं तो आप एक अच्छे इंसान कहलाते हो, है ना. सब आपको पसंद करते हैं. अगर आपकी आदतें गंदी हैं तो सब आपको अवॉइड करते हैं, आपको कोई पसंद नहीं करता, कोई आपसे बात नहीं करना चाहेगा, कोई आपसे मिलना नहीं चाहेगा. सो इट इज इन आवर हैंड हाउ वी वांट टू बिकम, व्हाट वी वांट टू बिकम. So if we want to become good person, we should always develop good habits. And I hope आप कुछ गुड हैबिट्स इंकलकेट करेंगे, सीखेंगे. ये सब गुड हैबिट्स जो हमने अभी बात की है, देयर इज नो एंड टू गुड हैबिट्स. बहुत सारी हैबिट्स हैं. अगर मैं बोलने जाऊं तो शायद मैं हर रोज गुड हैबिट्स के बारे में बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स दे सकती हूँ. देयर आर सो मेनी गुड हैबिट्स, बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू लर्न इट योरसेल्फ. मैंने आपको जैसे पहले भी बोला था कि if you sit quietly at a place and you think about it, you will get to know what is a good habit and what is a bad habit. So please leave the bad habits and just inculcate and just get some good habits. That's all for today, beta. Bye bye. Take care.